The final step is to check the LED. The method is easy too. We have to find another battery which is full charged. Let's check. This battery is 1.2 volt. It's full charged. So let's check. Change the battery. And then we check if it's on. You can see the LED's always on, so the LED is no problems. So this way we can judge that the only problem is the battery is plugged out. It's not charged. It's not full charged. So we can put it back, assembly back it. Then we can put it outdoor to charge it for 1 or 2 sunny days. It will be working. Make sure that when you put outside again for charging, there's no building shadow, tree shadow on the solar panel. The solar panel should directly face the sun.